Okay, so let's see how fast we can go. We have barely 5 minutes now. This, I'm just going to be giving us a summary, then tomorrow I'm still going to drop some write up on our group to explain further what I want to say, but I'll just give a brief summary of all the whole thing in 5 minutes. Okay, this summary in 5 minutes. Okay, IPC, Intelligence Prime Capital is a company that they call themselves the future of fintech and forex trading. Now what they do is that they've developed what we call an AI. They've developed an AI. Now what is an AI? An AI is artificial intelligence, and just like I told us, it's still artificial intelligence that they use to program all those indicators like your moving average, stochastic, Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci, and all those things. Okay, so still based on that artificial intelligence, IPC Capital came up with a robot, okay, a robot that trades for you. Now a robot that trades for you, we have, for those of you who are conversant with a crypto robot called what's it called again, Royal Q. Okay, just like Royal Q, this Royal Q is for crypto. IPC Intelligence Prime Capital is for forex. Okay, I've not used Royal Q, so I'm not endorsing it. So but what I'm telling us is that IPC Capital is something we are making use of, and we can tell us that it's a go. Okay, so Intelligence Prime Capital is a company that have developed a robot that trades for you. Now the uniqueness about Intelligence Prime Capital, I'm just going to be mentioning the advantage, then we go back to look at the history of the company, who owns this company, are they people that we can trust, and so on like that. Okay, so there is risks in every business. Okay, there is risks in every business. The stock market at some point crashed and stuff of that nature. Okay, but those of us who are trading with, who are traders, okay, whether you are trading crypto or you are trading stock or you are trading bond, with whatsoever you are trading, okay, the problem of trading is emotion. Okay, the problem of trading is emotion. You must be able to overcome fear, you must able to overcome greed. These two things, if you can overcome them, then you are a very good trader. Okay, so you see the way the market is going down. Do you know that there are some persons who have lost more than they could have lost because they saw the market going down and they sold? Okay, they saw the market going down, they sold. Now the market, as at early this morning, started retracing back up. Okay, and they bought again. As they bought again, probably by this night, I'm not prophesying, by this night market might start dropping down again. Okay, so they wake up tomorrow morning and see the market have start going down below what they have sold, below where they bought, and they'll still sell again. So if you are doing that and doing that, you will, on a long run, you will discover that you have lost much more than what you would have lost by just holding. Okay, you would have lost more than what you have lost by just holding. Now all these things are because of our human emotion. You know that BTC has broken down the 31k support level, and definitely for it to get its feedback on, it will definitely hit 29. So but people, you are aware of these things, but because you are seeing your money going up and down, you will not be able to control those emotions, and you sell, you buy, you sell, you buy, you sell, you buy, you sell, you buy. At the end of the day, you end up losing a whole lot of money. Okay, so the reason why artificial intelligence will do well in the future, this is just the beginning. We are just seeing something little. Artificial intelligence is really going to do well. Okay, so they have actually come up with a robot that trades. Now what the robot does for you is that the robot trades for you 3 times a day. You can connect your MetaTrader. For those that are into crypto, that's what we call MetaTrader. Thank you. You can see my screen. Wow. Okay, that's what is called MetaTrader. Now MetaTrader is an app that helps you to trade forex, and they are like Deriv or IQ. They have their own. They are just like they are their own broker. Okay, they have their own broker. So you get to connect your your IPC account. Once you've created an IPC account, they give you a login details. You come to your MetaTrader and you connect it. Okay, you come to your MetaTrader and you connect it. And the sweet thing about this is that you are able to see the trade the robots are trading every day. Okay, some persons who are even forex trader, they even follow the signals. When they see the robot place a trade, they follow the trade and they are trading manual. Okay, but that's not what you are saying. But the thing there is that this robot pays you 1 to 3% every day, 1 to 3% of your trading capital every day. Now the summary of everything is that you get to purchase a robot. Okay, you get to purchase a robot. Once you've purchased a robot, then you can now fund your account with any amount of money you want to fund your account with. The minimum you can actually fund your account is $100. Okay, the minimum you can fund your account is $100. And we have different robots. We have different robots that you can actually subscribe to. We have different robots you can actually subscribe to. These are certain details, certification, they are certified in Canada. Then this FinTrack is more like, let me get FinTrack is more like the EFCC of Canada. Okay, so FinTrack is more like the EFCC of Canada. So you can see that they are regulated by Financial Transaction and Report Analysis Center of Canada. So they are very much regulated in Canada. They are registered in Canada. They are registered as US Digital Assets Regulatory License. Okay, they have this license. All these things, I'm going to send us a video link on. These things are actually verifiable. You can actually do the verification yourself. Okay, so this is Mr. Walter Stephan, who is the CEO of this company. Mr. Walter Stephan was once the vice central bank governor of his country. Okay, central bank governor of his country. So he has very good credibility. He has status on LinkedIn. You can check them all, both Mr. Stephan and Dr. Val. Okay, so all these things are verifiable, and I'm going to send us the documents. For those of us who are in our group, we have started a massive trend. Okay, the reason why we are doing this thing is we are going to constantly do this training to help you grow, because there is no company in the world. You don't need to get anybody involved in this company before you can start trading, before you can start making money. You can connect your account, buy the robots, fund your account, and you are making money on the go every day. And the sweet thing about this company also is that you get paid every Saturday. You can cash out your money every Saturday. So every Saturday for IPC traders is a payday. Okay, so the robot trade for you Monday to Friday. You withdraw your money on this Saturday. You can trade. The first spike from $31,000 to $35,000 of BTC was spiked by IPC company, because you are being paid in USDT. So imagine every Saturday thousands of dollars. Let me see if I can just I'll stop sharing my screen so I can log into my account, and I want to show us something. I'll stop sharing my screen. So I can log out and come back and share my screen and show us just something very important or strategic or unique about IPC. It's just their daily profit, and transaction volume, for you to see that it's not a company that is joking. We are here for business. Okay, we are here for business, and those of us who want to really make money out of this space, a whole lot of opportunity will be coming. Like I said, a whole lot of opportunities will be coming. Is very, very important. The market is really down, and I really want to help us to see how we can raise money for when BTC gets to 29k. A whole lot of us can actually enter the market. I posted on my status the other day that this is the opportunity of the century. This is one of the biggest opportunity in the century, because we are getting an opportunity that we wouldn't have gotten before. I'm sharing my screen once more. We are getting an opportunity that we would never have gotten before. This is the global bonus. Okay, this is the bonus people have gotten from group sales, personal sales, and the rest of them. Okay, just like I said, you don't need to bring anybody into the business, but each company, okay, the best form of marketing, like I always say whenever we are having seminars, the best form of marketing is giving referral commission, because no matter how IPC company will want to scale and do their advertisement, they might never get to my mother, they might never get to my brother, but since they have gotten to me and they have promised me that if probably I tell them about it, I'm going to get a percentage, probably a referral commission for what. And why won't I share? So what we are looking out is getting to the highest level of earning over 2 million per week from group sales. Okay, and we are going to help you build that network. Every time doing our training, both on the group chat and on this call. I think this is actually more preferable. So every time on this call, we are going to be having seminars. You can invite your friends and make sure you give them your link for them to register. The only reason why they'll be coming on the call is for them to understand what we are actually doing. This is just the first business we'll be presenting. There will be a whole lot of business and seminars which we'll be presenting to us to maximize, because it is too dangerous. It is too dangerous to have one source of income, especially this year. It is too dangerous to have one source of income. It's too dangerous. So I'm just going to give us time. This already 9:02, and I just give chance to anybody who have maybe one or two questions. Okay, just two questions. If there's any question, then I'm going to share the link. I said we have a meeting, a global meeting, a new business we want to join. That's Hype Metaverse. This 2022 is the year of the metaverse. We might be threatened by another lockdown, but the most important thing is that everything can be going on in the metaverse. So you can see various adoption, a whole lot of tokens that have to do with metaverse. They are going to do so well. So I'm going to give us the privilege to open on. You can unmute yourself, and if you have any question on IPC, quickly let us know. If you have any question on IPC, quickly let us know before. Okay, how much is the robot? Thank you. Let me go back to the presentation. We have 4 robots, as you can see. Let me zoom it so see it. We have about 4 robots, and it's a one-time payment. We have the smart bots of $19. We have the brilliant bot of $39, almost $40. Then we have the Genius bot of $99.9, which is also like $100. So the advantage of them all, let me see if I can go there. The sweet thing about each of those robots, they have their returns per month. Okay, each of those robots, you can see the bot system subscription. For the smart bot, that is approximately $20, a minimum deposit of $100, and you see it has a limitation. Okay, it has a limitation of $300. That's the max. If you go for the brilliant bot of approximately $40, you get up to 30% per month. Maximum deposits 1,000 USD. Then if you are going for the Genius bot, which is $99.9, you get up to 45% per month. That's if you compound. Okay, if you withdraw every week, you might not get up to 45%, but if you compound, you will get up to 45%. I will always advise you, risk takers, people like us who are risk takers, you can compound your fund for a month, then you cash out. But people who want to take minor risks, you can be withdrawing your money every Saturday. Hold your capital first. Okay, when you get your capital, you hold your capital. When you get your capital, use it for other businesses and you move on. Okay, make sure that when you get your capital, you take out your capital from the platform and allow them to give you returns based on the profit they have made from it. Okay, so do we have any question? If you have any question, you can ask. Okay, go ahead. You know, no, okay, the thing there is that what you are doing is that you are buying the robot that will trade for you and you are funding your account. Okay, buying your robot is a one-time thing that you do. Then funding your account is you fund your account with any amount you want to fund, but the minimum is 100. So if you are going for the Genius bot, then you should be looking at $200, $100 to buy the robot, $100 to fund your account minimum. Or you can fund your account with $20,000, $50,000, whichever amount you want to use to fund your account. I know you already have a knowledge of forex. There is no setting of anything. What you get to see is that the robot targets based on your trading capital. It targets to make a trade of at minimum of 1 point something percent every day. So it have just 3 trades and the target is barely 0.7%. So imagine targeting 0.7% of your capital. Once they make the first trade, make approximately 0.6, they close the trade, make another trade, close the trade, make another trade, close the trade, and that's all. Okay, they trade us 3 times a day. So what you are expecting after each day is a particular percentage of your account. Now the compounding, they compound for you Monday to Friday, and on Friday they send the money to your dashboard, which is not, because you need to transfer to your MT4 trader. Okay, they have MT4 dashboard, so you need to make the transfer from your dashboard, that's the wallet you can withdraw from, to your MetaTrader. Okay, so on Saturday, if you decide to leave it there, it will not compound it for you by itself, because it expects you to either withdraw or to send it back to the MT4 account. Go ahead. If you don't wish for it to be compounding, if you don't wish to withdraw, you send back the money every Saturday or Sunday back to the MT4 wallet. If you wish to withdraw, you can withdraw straight to your Binance, because what they use is USDT. Okay, so you can withdraw to your Trust wallet, you can withdraw to Binance, you can withdraw to anywhere. I can hear you. That's exactly what I said. Okay, exactly what I said. It's just exactly what you saw there. 45%. That's if you compound. Okay, that's if you want to compound, but it will trade for you barely 1 to 3% every day. On a very good day, if trade is okay, you can get up to 2%, 3%, which is rare. Okay, which is rare. What you normally see is 1 point something percent every day. Okay, so if you are trading with $100 as your trading capital, what you should be seeing every week should be 6 point something dollars. Okay, 6 point something dollars for the first week, 6 point something dollars for the second week, unless you compound. If you now compound, you now be adding that 1 point something percent of that extra $6, which should be giving you approximately $7 on the second week, $8 or 9 point something dollars on the third week. Then on the fourth week, you might be getting maybe $12 or $11, something like that. Okay, so it depends on if you want to compound, but if you don't compound, you just be getting 6 point something dollars. That's if you, but if you are trading with something like 1,000, you should be getting like 60 something dollars every week, which you can withdraw to your any wallet you want to withdraw to. Okay, so let me quickly share with us let me quickly share with us for those of us who want to take stop, you know what to do. You can chat us up in the group. Let me share with us the link for the Hypeverse. Let me share with us the link for the Hypeverse. I'm going to share it on this chat box, so if you are on the chat, kindly follow the link before we end the meeting, because we are ending the meeting right now because we want to join you know, those of us who still have questions can still ask those questions. Just like I assured us, those of us, we didn't even talk about the networking part. You can actually make a fortune from group sales. Your team is moving, my team is moving, because everybody coming under Sophie group, we're actually going to call your people each time we are having meeting. So you call them, they come, and they ask their questions, we engage them here, we teach them. Oh, the length is too much. I will just copy the link and the password and drop for us, since the message is too long. This is Zoom call. Do well to join. This is the first meeting. I've shared the group link. Just copy the link, copy the message. That's the link there, that's the ID, the passcode is passive. So I'm going to still leave this group on here. So let us know if you have actually joined the link. I'm already on the meeting now. I'm already on the meeting now. Over 200 persons are on the call right now. Okay, so let's join the Zoom meeting. See you there, see you there, see you there, see you there. Think we'll be ending the call at this point. Thank you so much, thank you so much. Okay, so we can do a shout out. Those of us who are still on the call, we can do a shout out. You can unmute yourself and do a shout out before we end the recording and the call.
For this opportunity. God bless us and bless me forward. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Chamaka. We thank everybody. We'll be ending the call here. Thank you so much, thank you so much, thank you so much.